So I am super excited. We are unboxing a Canon M50. So, several options on Amazon. We chose the one that came with the Rode microphone because at the end of the day, if you're vlogging, you need to have a good microphone. Do not use the audio that comes standard. I'm gonna open this up so you see exactly how it's gonna come if you order this exact setup. I'll include a link, of course. Is it lame that I think this is kind of cool? Cute little tape. It's kind of retro-y. All right. So, they have all these packs and they come with like everything you can think of. I don't know if we'll use everything, but for the same price as in store, might as well get a few extra things whether we use them or not. So, looking right in the bag, the box, sorry guys. We've got a camera bag. We have a tripod. We have the actual cameras in here, I believe. And then we've got some, looks like deluxe photo kit, which includes your fiber cloth, your card reader, your 8-piece cleaning kit, memory card wallet, dust cleaner blower, lens cleaning pin, flexible tabletop tripod, 3-piece screen protector kit. So, as you can see, there's that. I'm gonna put that to the side. We'll open each of these things individually. We have this Striker Pro Series tripod. Please forgive any sounds in the background. My dog keeps on hacking something up out inside. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is the lunchbox style camera case. Will I use it? Probably not. It's just not my style, but that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. I just prefer backpacks because I like to have my arms free. Very standard. Looks like you've got the option to move these little dividers any way you would like. So you can put a lens here or something. You know, nothing too exciting. It's got a strap. I'll put that to the side. We'll look at it in depth in a minute. And then of course you've got your filler paper just to keep things from shifting. The camera, I'm gonna put this to the side for a second. And then of course a 32 gigabyte SD card. Another cleaning cloth it looks like. And that is everything in the box. So I'm gonna put that to the side. All right, so we're gonna start with the camera bag just because it's the most underappreciated, I guess. But for me, not very exciting. So it's just your standard camera bag. I showed it a minute ago. You've got the option to use the dividers on the inside. Looks like you've got some pockets on the sides. And then as far as quality, it's pretty I guess it would get the job done. I don't know if I put my very expensive camera equipment in it. It does have the strap so that you could lock it in like so. Again, I probably will never use this, but I can find other use for it because we have a ton of camera stuff. Okay, again, 32 gigabyte SD card. Just put that in there. And then we have the Pro Series tripod. It's just like this. Comes in its own little bag. So that's nice. You can throw it over your shoulder if you're carrying it. I don't know about Strikers. You can see the branding. Not to be confused with Striker, the med device company. For any of my med device salespeople out there. So here's your tabletop tripod. Pretty decent. Loosen it. A little bit like, I don't know, it just looks a little weird to me, but what do I know? Looks like this comes off. Anyways, here's the tripod. Have the ability to extend the legs so I can go even taller. When you're done, you just push up, collapse it down, and stick it back in its bag. That to the side. This to the side. The Striker photography equipment again. So it's the same brand for both the tripod and the cleaning kit. So I've got like the little, you know, blurs out the dust. Here's your SD card kit. Ooh, exciting. Your lens cleaning fluid. You've got the lens cleaning pen. Some Q-tips. This is a little tiny tripod. Oh my gosh. I mean, like, what would you even use that for? That is the tiniest thing I've ever seen. Looks like, oh, your USB. Of course, I'm gonna add the other one that was just randomly floating in the box here. Looks like some type of little strap. Lens cleaning tissue. And then just making sure I don't forget anything. Yeah. So here it all is. That comes from this little box. I'm gonna put this all to the side. And then the most exciting part. The whole reason I bought this was for the Canon. Again, cut away from the body if you can. Sorry guys, I am struggling to open that. All right, perfect. So, Dare to Dream. We have another SD card, a 32 gigabyte. So one thing I will say is when you're looking at these packages on Amazon, most of them will take the parts that come standard with the camera, whether you buy it from Amazon, Best Buy, Target, wherever you're buying it. They'll take them out and kind of make it look like you're getting it extra, but it comes standard. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at the packages. Pick what makes sense for what your needs are, of course. Oh, I'm so nervous taking this out. Okay. All right, so this box is now empty. Now, there is something in here that isn't standard, but, and I just realized that. So, the Rode Video Mic Go. It's the lightweight on-camera microphone. It's the brand that everybody uses. So that's why I wanted this exact package on Amazon. So it attaches right to the top of the camera. Super lightweight and great sound. And then of course, the Canon M50. Seems to be a fan favorite. It is why we chose it. I was super eager to get this. I was monitoring my Amazon driver. And I even ran outside and was like, you can walk this way, because he's trying to walk the long way around our house. So a lot of times people, I appreciate it. They're worried to walk through our yard. I don't care. So you've got your user manual. Oh, registration. We've got a camera strap, standard Canon. We've got a battery. We have, I think this is the charger, maybe. Oh, sorry guys. This is the lens. A little bit more exciting than a charger. Just the lens. It's just the standard one that comes with the camera. here's the battery charger. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and take the battery out so that I can get this moving along. Battery charger. Always line the arrows up with Canons. They make it pretty idiot proof. I just plugged that into the wall. All right, this is everything. Just to confirm, nothing else snuck in there. Also got your serial number here. These items back in here. I don't know about you guys, for some reason we hold on to our electronic boxes. Seriously, I'm struggling. There we go. We always hold on to our electronic boxes, I guess, in the case we have to like look up the serial number or something if we misplace it. So that's that. Here's the camera. Another protective little baggie. Oh, it is so small. So, fun little story. Sorry about all the crinkly noise. I only looked at YouTube. So we tried to see this camera in person. We went to multiple different places. For whatever reason, they did not have them on display. The only place that had it close by was Best Buy. We went there the other day. The area where it was typically demo was broken. So they went to the back to try to find it because Best Buy has an open box issue. They will not open it for you. So this is my first time holding an M50. It is very petite. It's very lightweight. I'm small, so if that's a good reference point. You've got your screen here. So if you're doing selfies, if you're vlogging, you're walking around, you can look at yourself, put it back. Now I have to apologize for my cat talking. And then of course, your flash. Of course, the other thing to notice, so it's got the protector. You never touch the inside of that. You have your lens protector here. You've got a white dot here, and you've got a white dot there. Line them up and twist. And now you're ready to rock and roll. You also have a lens cap here. So once the battery's done charging, sorry guys, once the battery's done charging, I can load it right down here and my SD card, and then I can go take some footage. And that is the M50, Canon M50 package from Amazon.